Good morning. It is already humid and it's just after 9. So I'm not going to be out here long. I just want to, I see my weeping willow has fallen away from the support stick I have there. So I want to put that back and pull the weeds out that's growing near my watermelon. And maybe a couple of other, I'll just grab a few weeds that are threatening my plants that are too close. So that's it for today. Okay, I decided to real quick take out this northern oak grass. This is the northern oak, and I had it planted here, I think 2 years ago. Took it out and put it in a pot because it was spreading more than I wanted it to. So it's here, it's over there. So I'm going to pull this out and put it in the wooded area. But back there, I don't care how much it spreads. Here, I don't want it all over the yard. Need to get a pot. Yep, it's a very attractive shrub. It grows and it gets these nice little seed pods at the end that kind of drape over what you'll see on the other one. Yes, I am seeing this pop up in too many places. So as I was saying, it's a very nice looking shrub. Uh-oh. But you know what? This thing is strong, so that did not hurt it. I don't know if I want to put anything else here or not, because that soil may stay sloppy wet. Yep, I just realized that, what is that? A frog. Right in here, where I have daylilies, which have already had their time, so they're dying back. I think I'm gonna pull all the daylilies out, and then the northern oak is what it's called. And see the little seed pods at the top? Well, you may not be able to see it, but I'm gonna get all of that out. Not intended to do all of this, but that's the thing with gardening. Once you start doing something, you can get caught up. But yeah, the daylilies were just getting too big for this space. So, may as well. And this pot, which is a Japanese maple, is in my way. See if I can slide that out. Just need to slide it out of the way a little bit. Make sure no snakes are there. That's the kind of place they like to hide. I had no intention of doing this kind of work. But I think I'm going to go ahead and plant these. In fact, let me go put the hole back there. The northern oaks, the little grass, this gets really pretty around fall. Looks really nice, so I think I'll leave that in the pot for now until I get back here anyway. I have a trip I need to take for this weekend, holiday weekend. All right, let's find a spot in the back there. Okay, this is my new flower bed. Okay, we're just gonna park them back here temporarily. Throw some soil on them, and that's where they'll stay for the rest of the summer. I'm really done for the day now. Got other things